Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn with Meherba. Today we learn about
Prepositions.
prepositions. Let's start.
Okay, let's start.
There is a big white cloud in the sky.
Where is the big cloud?
Here is it.
Okay. Read next line.
The sun is behind.
Spell it. B-E-B.
Behind.
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 Behind मतलब
उसके पीछे.
पीछे. Very good.
Behind the cloud.
Very good. The sun is behind the cloud.
The sun is behind the cloud.
सूरज क्लाउड के पीछे है. Next.
The cloud is in front of the sun.
Very good. In front of the
sun.
What is the meaning?
वो sun के आगे है.
Very good.
Here is it.
Yes. The cloud is in front of the sun.
Sun. There is a
R-T.
skirt.
C-A-R-T.
Cart
Cart.
in the middle of the road.
Where is the cart?
Here is it.
Middle of the road. दरमियान रोड के.
वो रोड के बीच में है.
Very good.
There is a house. Beside the road.
देखो तस्वीर में देखो.
Here is it.
Beside the road there is a house. वहाँ एक घर है. Beside the road. रोड के साथ.
There is a lake. Near the house.
Very good. There is a lake near the house. Where is house?
Here is it.
Yes. And the lake is here.
Here.
Near पास. घर के पास एक लेक है.
There is a boat on the lake.
On का मतलब क्या होता है?
उसके ऊपर.
Very good. On का मतलब पर. There is a boat on the
lake.
Very good.
There is a tall tree
Beside
the lake.
Here is it. Here is a tall tree beside the lake. लेक के साथ, लेक के बराबर, नदी के साथ, नदी के बराबर में एक टॉल ट्री है. ऊंचा दरख्त है.
Like, subscribe, and share for more. Bye bye.